Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English every single day. What's the thing we do for the most to enhance our skill? So, currently, I just consistent to learn about English. Yeah, I practice every single day. I looking to friend that could be my partner to speaking for every single day. I also looking for method through the YouTube, through the book, because I already buy a book before I start the journey. Yeah, and after that, I also describe out loud. So while I go outside and I see something unusual, and immediately all of a sudden yeah, that's the car, that's a really nice cars, that's really nice airbus. Yeah, whenever I go, while I in train, I describe in, yeah, this train is long, wow, what does this train can do? Yeah, it can live 100 people. Yeah, everything I described. So currently, I bought a really nice thing. Can you guess that? I got the banana. I got the banana. So currently, I bought this fruit when I went to grocery stores. I also practicing my English while I go to grocery stores. Yeah, already prepare my screen, my camera to be ready for that fight. Yeah, when I in the grocery stores, I also describe out loud one by one. So for instance, like banana, the shape is quite round, yellow in colors, and this fruit is ready to eat. And also there was others that not ready to eat, and instead raw fruit, fruit, raw fruit. Yeah, and also uh, nice in taste. You want to try this? Okay. I also have something, right? I also uh, bought some of kilogram of orange from grocery stores. Actually, this fruit is actually one of the most popular fruit in my village, because my family, my parents work with orange palms. So that's why when I go back to my place, I don't have to buy orange. I don't have to buy orange from the grocery stores, because my friends already plan it, already earn edible fruit. Yeah. So that's something I show you while I go outside, while I do something unusual and describe it out loud. Guys, today I talk to you. I also sometimes don't care about grammar. Instead, instead I'm being ready to practice. I'm being ready to make a wrong, made ready to make wrong decisions, but it doesn't matter. When I when I still consistently to my goals, I can fight them. Okay. So I also uh, take gas. I also take you in that the systems consistence, because being consistent is a really nice. Is really challenge moments. Thank you.